So the mower started about 10 minutes ago. The lawn hasn't been mowed for a while. It was a bit damp yesterday, it rained yesterday and even this morning. So it's a fairly thick grass, and so around 10 minutes now we'll see what happens. So after 40 minutes of kind of zigzagging around the yard, and it returned itself back to the docking station to recharge. And just a minute ago she took off again out of the station there and is heading off, cutting in areas that weren't cut previously. Over the weeds. Yes, as you can see, the results after a couple of months, it's just magic. It's never looked as good. It's just the right length, it's not too short. It's green as, it's never looked as good, and great job. Yeah, and look, hey, look at this. Freddie, get the New South Wales Blues here, mate, to win next year. Grounding on this stuff, this is the go, mate. Come on, Freddie. Why did you not bring him here? The Lennox Head New South Wales turf, not far from Queensland. We would have done him if you brought him here. Look at it. Man, I'm going to start a bocce tournament up there. It's like, it's the most magic grass we've had